Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, this is your host Crypto Ranger. Welcome to Cryptopocalypse Now YouTube. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. MarketSpy.net is now officially our home. This is the place you go to get your hands on the world's latest and greatest indicator. MarketSpy, smashing the game, here for you. Membership of a lifetime is being promoted right now as a giveaway, and this is mainly what the video is all about. The giveaway is here. You can enter it if you do entries every day for the next 30 days, like so. You click on it and you're getting incredible value sent your way. Rank up because there's a ladder system, and if you follow us on Instagram, that's right, we have our own channel now. The YouTube subscriptions count towards points for winning the lifetime membership subscription. Also, we have Twitter, Telegram, as well as Facebook now. So if you're on any one of those platforms, I invite you to join and also give it a crack. This increases your chances of winning a copy of MarketSpy for life, with all the greatest updates that are on their way, coming your way. It's going to be one hell of a time for you and your trading game. The experience is unlike anything else. You already know what it is. Sentiment is running high in the markets, or was running high before the dump. I posted in the platoon. We saw MarketSpy was telling us short off the top. A lot of uncertainty here, but we had clear premonitions, and this is what the spy in the name of market is. Spy sniffs out these profitable trades for you. Whether you pull the trigger on them or not is an individual choice, but the indicator doesn't lie, and it outperforms anything that's out there currently on the market, period. And now we have a MarketSpy.net housing for it. So this is the place to be to trade BTC. Equip yourself and don't wreck yourself. Go with it. Thanks to Karena, came to me and said, you cannot keep this indicator under the rock. It's too good to be true. I was surprised to hear it, because this was never the intention. This was not a plan of any sorts. We're not some influencers, YouTubers that post daily updates on Bitcoin price action, none of that stuff. We have a pretty strong community that we trade through called the Platoon. You can join it for free, as well as, yeah, we've had some great calls in the past, and we'll continue to have great calls. But we're in the sit it out period right now. I haven't traded in over 2 weeks now, maybe less than that, but yeah, close to that. Like, last signal was when? About 2 weeks ago. It was a little $100 move scalp. But we are entering this volatility constriction event, and we're going to have some expansion out of that range right now, and I will tell you all about it. But that's besides the point. People with MarketSpy are blowing my mind. I'm seeing positive feedback coming through, and recently contacted some of the members that were active about 5 months ago but suddenly disappeared, and I said, what's going on? You know, have you been around? And some of them replied, didn't get all the replies back, but some who have replied, 2 of them answered that, you know, they've been out there silently killing it, trading it, the prop traders, and doubling it up at home. And I was like, what? And they're like, yeah, you know, there's nothing really to say. I'm not active on Discord because I'm just doing my thing, and MarketSpy is it. So it was very pleasing to hear that. It's really this website is a testament. It's a dedication. It's a project that came about not out of my own discretion, but someone offered it and said, you know what, this thing needs to have its own website. You cannot keep it under the rock. People need to have access to this. It's changed my life. It's gonna change others. I know it. And I was like, okay, all right, I guess, because initially we wanted to keep it like small and private, and kind of like keep it to ourselves, not make too much noise. But it's been blowing up. People are texting me on TradingView, inquiring about it, saying this and that, you know, compare it to others. When they compare it, they end up purchasing it because they're like, yeah, buddy, it's great. So you need some one-on-one time with it, and I will actually include a complimentary session with yours truly upon the purchase of MarketSpy. If you ever get stuck, I'll be there for a one-on-one screen share to run you through all the signals, all the stuff that you need to know, which is quite simple. It's self-explanatory as is. But if you get stuck, if you get trader's block, maybe we can resolve that as well using private one-on-one sessions, which I think many should take advantage of it because I have the time. I have the time right now. The virus is vicious. Speaking of the virus, coronavirus, guys, stay safe. Keep your masks on. Not that mask, but you know the mask, the coronavirus mask. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. The coronavirus masks. Keep it on, and wear gloves. Protect your family, yourselves. Be cautious, because this thing is not a joke right now. It's out there. It's getting people. So I'm cooped up in my space here, and was planning to leave, but I think airports are the point of. This is where you don't want to go. The airport is the place that will basically infect you. For the lack of a better word, it will freaking infect you. The airport is the contact point. They don't want to tell you about it, but people have no choice. They still travel. But I'm gonna sit it out. I'm gonna wait it out and see if we start turning into zombies or there's a solution. They'll come up with a vaccine of some sort or something. Anyways, pray for the best, hope for the best, guys. Love you all. Stay safe. So give it a crack. Giveaway is happening right now, and I just wanted to say that. I'm looking at the space here and there, and I can tell you that you wouldn't believe how much this small community of traders, Cryptopocalypse Now, has influenced the bigger fish out there in the space, all the shills and all the people out there that are in it to win it, in it for the money, for their personal gains. Cryptopocalypse Now has been silently innovating and surpassing every offering that's out there in terms of value, in terms of efficiency, in terms of the actual performance of the indicator. And now I see we had kickback profit programs from day one, from the inception, from the day one when the indicator came out. We had this affiliate program that sort of like allowed people to share the joyfulness of owning MarketSpy with others, and when their friends would come and purchase it at a huge discount, everyone who got in basically for free, for peanuts. And they have the greatest and the best in their hands right now. So that's something to be proud of, I think, because it's definitely worth a lot more, given that the fact that people would sell their grandma for like a 35% win rate system, says a lot about MarketSpy. Now, innovations such as the giving back to the community, we're gonna have giveaways here too, with members area, with perks, all exclusive to MarketSpy members, and that's going to be very exciting. Strategies that you're not gonna find publicly available anywhere else will all run through the MarketSpy website. This is why I kind of wanted to save it for later, because I wasn't sure if sharing and being shilly on YouTube was a thing that fits my profile. I'm not interested in that. But now that we have here this website, we can actually start branching out and creating some actual additional layers of value for the people that own MarketSpy, and you're gonna find it all here. I'll tell you when the update rolls out for the website, and you're gonna have your dashboard and everything. So affiliations from day one, we had that. People shared their love for MarketSpy. Others got in at a super huge discounts, and people who referred them also got paid and continue to get paid. Just yesterday, 2 members came in and they're like, you know what, my friend wants to give it a try. Here you go. Got a discount, got paid for it. Both parties happy. Both are on their way to killing the game. I'm pretty sure that this is all that they'll need from now on. The search ends right here. So anyways, enough of hyping it. It speaks for itself when you use it. MarketSpy, baby. Get the giveaway. Give it a try. and see how you like it, because I think the chances of winning are pretty high. Most of us already have it, use it, but if you don't and you wanted to give it a try, now's your chance. All right. So next video will be about a couple other exchanges that I've been trying for the purpose of basically on a mission to find something that's commission free. All right, we've had Robinhood and other similar product, Voyage and Voyager, and now we're seeing exchanges called Blade and similar, and so I've been testing those profusely a lot, and I just wanted to share my opinion on that, and I think I'm going to put a video together and send it out your way, so you can get a sneak peek into what's available, because sticking exchanges, I don't trust any of them. I think Bybit right now, it's been really good. The only reason that anyone would stick with Bybit is not because of their marketing efforts. It's actually because of Bybit tools. It's a tool created by Transgenic, one of our members. It's hosted on Cryptopocalypse Now. There's a whole section dedicated to it. A tool for scaling orders, placing multiple orders with a single button. Amazing. Changes how you build up positions. I recommend you use it. And that is exclusive to Bybit, and that should never be left alone. So if you don't have an account, sign up and get that tool for free, because that is going to give you an additional edge over everything else that you have right now. But there are other exchanges which offer zero fees or low fees or experiences of that nature that are sort of like, we don't know how it will influence the space or whether they can capture a good chunk of the market using those value propositions. But we will see. I'm excited about that, and I'll share all that stuff together with you guys tomorrow, maybe in a live stream or something. Anyways, love you. Thank you for being here. You're the best. You know what time it is. I'll see you guys later.